Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore Denpasar city, the capital city of Bali. In this area, still busy even during the pandemic corona because in this area mostly people working for the government. So if you want to know how to like the condition at the moment in Denpasar, let's keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope today you are fine. Today I will explore Denpasar area during the pandemic corona. Okay, now we are in Renon area. It's like central of the office government. You see to the right side, there is electric's office from the government. It's the big one there. And the next there is Indonesian bank. It's very big, isn't it? So in this area, it's like a central of the government office B in Denpasar. Also this area we call heart of Denpasar. You see on the street, lot of car and lots of motorbike. Even during the pandemic corona, it looks like normal life here. And you can see the view. I mean, it's very green this area. And in the right side, that is the central of the government office. But left side, there is a local business. Now I will turn right to see the government office area. Left side and right side there is the government office. It looks so busy, isn't it, around here? So that's why even the pandemic corona in this area is still busy because mostly people working for the government and local business. This very beautiful building, isn't it? And this area also for nature. It's very green. Okay, now we are outside the central the office government in Denpasar. So we'll see together how look like the condition in this area. You see in the left side, there is a lot of car parking and doing some business. They're selling something like souvenir, fruit, and everything else. Also, they designed the car for a coffee shop. So this is very unique, isn't it? Actually, this is effect from the corona because before they have job before the pandemic corona. But because of the pandemic, they lost the job, then make new job and selling something just beside the street on the car. So, this is the heart of Denpasar. Denpasar city is the capital city in Bali. And you also can see the building is not very high. Do you know why? Because the reason is we cannot make building higher than the temple century. So the building here just like a flat. Okay guys, so there's the condition at the moment in Denpasar area. It is very busy, isn't it? Okay guys, if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell notification because I have more information about Bali. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Okay, see you. Bye bye.